Okay, today is 9-4. We're going to talk about different angles and things about them. So first we have perpendicular lines. So perpendicular lines are two lines that when they cross, they create right angles. So all of these are right angles. Okay? Parallel lines. Parallel lines will never ever cross. So they're two lines that will never hit. Parallel lines with the transversal. So we know that these two lines here are parallel. They'll never cross. If there's a line going through them, that is called the transversal. So this line is the transversal, and it's crossing the parallel lines. So when you have parallel lines with the transversal, they create congruent and supplementary angles. And congruent means the same. So when you have parallel lines with the transversal, then you're going to get angles that equal to each other. Okay, so the first angles we're going to talk about are vertical angles. And we've already seen vertical angles. Vertical angles create, I like to think of a bow tie. So here are our two parallel lines, and this is the transversal. So here, you see how it kind of makes a bow tie? Those are vertical angles. Now there's more than that. Okay, so if this was angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, angle 1 is congruent to angle 3. Okay, so if angle 1 was 100 degrees, angle 3 would be 100 degrees. Do you see that angle 2 is also congruent to angle 4 because of vertical angles? Do you see the bow tie? Over here, we have angle 6 is congruent to angle 8. See the bow tie? And on this side, we have angle 5 is congruent to angle 7, all because of vertical angles. Alternate interior angles. Okay, so we know what an angle is. Interior. When I hear interior, I think inside. Okay? And alternate, I think of switching. Okay? So, here are my parallel lines. Here is my transversal. When we're going to do the interior, you're looking at the four angles inside of the parallel lines. Okay? So you see how these are the parallel lines. If I kind of write on them, there's four angles inside of there. Now, the ones that are the same are the ones that are alternate. And so I'm saying like switching over or crossing over the transversal. Okay? So if this was 1, 2, 3, 4, then angle 2 is congruent to angle 3. Okay? And angle 1 is the same as angle 4. Notice, angle 1 is obtuse, angle 4 is obtuse. Angle 2 is acute, angle 3 is acute. Okay? So those are the alternate interior. Alternate exterior is the same thing, sort of. Exterior, you think of outside. Okay? So here's my parallel lines. Whoa. There we go. And here are the four angles outside of the parallel lines. Again, if I just number them, 1, 2, 3, 4. Angle 2 is going to be congruent to angle 3. Okay? Because they are outside and they are on the opposite or alternate sides of the transversal. So we have here, and then we're going to switch down to this side. Okay? Angle 1 is congruent to angle 4. Corresponding angles. All right, let's number these right away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here are the parallel lines. Here's the transversal. These are all the angles that are created. Okay? For corresponding is the only one that is going to be, it's staying on the same side of the transversal. Do you see how it's on the same side of the transversal? Okay? And it's in this basically the same spot. So here's the top, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I pick up that and put it right on top of this one, so if I cut it and put it on top, then it's going to be in the exact same spot. Okay, so angle 1, so here's angle 1. In the same spot as angle 1, down here is angle 5. Angle 2, so here's angle 2. In the same spot down here is angle 6. Here's angle 3. In the same spot down here is angle 7. And angle 4 in the same spot is angle 8. Those are corresponding. It's basically like if I imaginary take this and cut this off and then just repaste it on the top bottom down here, that's corresponding. Supplementary angles we already talked about. Now supplementary angles are not congruent, but they add up. So angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 180 degrees. They're going to add up to be a straight line. Okay, so here's your straight line. If this was angle 1 and this is angle 2, those are supplementary angles. Okay? If you look this way, I'm going to tilt my head. If you go this way, angle 1 plus angle 3 also equals 180. Angle 2 plus angle 4 equals 180 degrees. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Angle 3 plus angle 4 equals 180 degrees. Those are supplementary angles when you add them together to get a straight line or 180 degrees. And that's all. Have a great day.